Hi everyone, welcome to Rice College.
I'm Miss Donoghue and I'm an English and a Geography teacher at Rice College Secondary School in Westport. As a new teacher in the school, I can confirm that the teachers are incredibly supportive and reassuring here. This is also my first year out as a newly qualified teacher, and they've helped me very much with the DRIHIT process.
Let's go with questions. Go on, Martin, answer.
I don't think they're going to board.
I really like Rice College. I think it was the right choice for me. What I find good are the facilities. All the facilities are top notch, like the accessibility to the greenway, the buzz of the woodwork room, or doing experiments in the science lab. There are microscopes in the lab and a range of tools in the woodwork room.
My name's Tommy Scahill. I'm in Leaving Cert here in Rice College, and this is my project for my Leaving Cert. It's worth 25% of the overall grade, and it's the majority of the work is put in 6th year. We do a lot of theory work in 5th year as well. It's probably my favourite subject here in the school. It's something I love to do. Very enjoyable.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm a student at Sacred Heart Westport. But because my school don't offer physics, me and two of my friends come up to Rice College to study it with Mr. Moran.
My name is Aaron Kittrick and I study home economics in the Sacred Heart School. I chose this subject because it has a lot of aspects that are appealing and interesting to me. The course it consists of 80% of a written test and 20% of a practical. In the practical you do 4 cooking assignments which you get to mingle with the girls, and it's very enjoyable. You study stuff like social studies, nutrition and design and home management. They're just a few of the things you'll study over the 2 years. It's also nice to get a little walk down to the girls' school during the break of class while not missing much from the class.
I like it here at Rice College, especially the subjects. I learn new things and new skills. The teachers are very helpful and they are very nice.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It all started when Mr. Flannery and Mr. Connolly entered us into the Mayo futsal tournament. Half the team went to the Mayos and the other half went to the Connachts. They both arranged for us to stay in a hotel the night before the tournament.
Rice College promotes football by organising training sessions and football matches all over Connacht. Football is a huge part of Rice College.
In 2016 we became the first team to win the All-Ireland Minor Cross Country Championship. The team consisted of myself, Ross McAllister, Oisin Ryle, Joshua Lally, Malcolm McEvely, Conor Muldoon, Joe Grady, Darren Foy and Mark Forrestal. championships took place up in Sligo, and it's something we're really proud of to this day.
Here at Rice College, we have an under-14s team, a junior team and a senior team.
Last year we won the Junior Cup Championship away against St. Closh Kieran.
We train on a Friday after school for an hour and a half, and we have another training session throughout the week.
Rugby is a great sport for making friends and mixing with people in other year groups and other schools.
We all represent Rice College in the hurling team, and we've partaken in many competitions and often have won. The Rice College hurling team have done really well over recent years, and the club is growing members every year.
Irish and religion teacher here at Rice College. I consider myself to be very fortunate to be here in Rice College as we boast an ethos of one that not only promotes the academic growth of the students but also encourages the spiritual, personal, physical and vocational needs of each student also. The teachers and staff work very hard here in Rice College to always work on preparing the students for life after school, and that is most evident in the students that sit before me each and every day. I can credit where credit is due, and the students here have given us a wholeheartedly open and genuine welcome on my second year out from college.
In Rice College Westport, we are lucky enough to be able to do religion as a core subject for junior cert. We can also do it to leaving cert level as an extracurricular. It's very important that we learn about the different religions and cultures around us today in Ireland, as well as around the world. We learn about 5 core religions for junior cert, including Muslims, we learn about Christianity, we learn about Judaism. And it's so important that we learn this so that we can appreciate other cultures and where other people come from.
My name is Martin Hopkins and I'm a past pupil of Rice College and Drummond National School. I did my Leaving Cert in 2016 and just qualified as a Construction Studies and DCG teacher. I'm delighted to have been given the opportunity to work in Rice College and things are going well.
I remember how daunting it was coming into first year from national school, big place, lots of big 6 years around, didn't know how to feel. But then the mentors showed us around the school, settled us in really, and when I got into 5th year I decided to become a mentor to help first years the way them mentors helped me.
I was really looking forward to coming to the school because it's a step up from primary school. I felt grown up and I knew it was time to go on. I was a bit nervous at first, but I'm not anymore.
Hi, my name is Jamie. I want to tell you about our SNN department. They're here to help if you have any required additional supports. The teachers are called SAT and help us with any learning difficulties. Altogether, the teachers and SNAs support the students all through our school in the multiple disabilities special class. It's a busy department, but they are a great team.
A lot of people don't like maths and other people like English, so you can divide in the groups what subjects you like and what way to do it. For business, in 2nd year, the CBA we done was a flavoured mouthguard for football, so we had to draw out a business plan and we had to see how we'd get the product, how we'd put the flavour onto them, where would we make them, how would we sell them. It shows a wide range of skills and it's very good for anyone. I'd advise them to do a CBA.
As you can see here, I've decided what I want to design on my output 2 page here. In this case, Evan has decided what he wants to do and he's put that on the computer there and he's designed and rendered that out on SolidWorks. So after that you have to choose one of the dash cams and do a freehand sketch of the dash cam. Then after that you model the dash cam in SolidWorks.
Only execute if the condition is true. Once you get inside, so Ava, I was asking you there, how do you know that these two statements...
Computer science is one of my favourite subjects in the school at the minute. It's fairly complicated, but you learn it as you go along. Like.
Can I have a look? Is this on the medium?
Yeah.
Okay.
okay, now I need to adjust this. That is brilliant. Actually, that's a really good one. Have a look now. That's spot on. That's exactly what I want.
My name is Luke. I'm a third year student from Rice College. We have 4 possible science subjects to choose from. These are agricultural science, chemistry, biology and physics.
Mr. Darragh Gruddy, Thomas Arang Gilga, Tá Chokr Drill I Gilmina, Tá Shomra Cuddleta Awan.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Connor. Je vais parler de mes vacances de rêve.
Voici quelques informations sur la région.
Wir lernen Deutsch in TY.
Wir lernen über Deutschland.
Das ist meine Neuer. Ist ein super toller.
Wir lernen über deutsche Feste.
Rice College, we have a subject called Wellbeing for all junior cycle students. In Wellbeing, we learn about healthy food, cyber safety, personal development, study skills, fitness and mental health, to name but a few topics. Last year, we were awarded our first Amber Flag from Pieta House for promoting positive mental health in our school. Our guidance counsellor organised various talks and activities for us. They were good fun and we learned a lot about the importance of good mental health. Every year, we have a Friendship Week and a Positive Living Week.
Rice College is an eco-friendly school with many green flags and are working towards getting their energy flag. Green Schools is all about biodiversity, sustainability and the environment. So far we have held a Climate Act Day, have installed a biodiversity pond, planted many trees and have a recycling system throughout the school to make sure the school is litter free on a day-to-day basis.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael Rabbit. I'm the principal of Rice College Westport. It is an honour and privilege to be in this role of this excellent school. I could not fulfil this role without the excellent support I have from the teaching staff, the students and the parents. We very much subscribe to the Edmund Rice vision that we promote the full personal and social development of every student in a caring Christian community of teaching and learning. Something we pride ourselves on in our school is our caring environment, and I can assure you, the parents, that each child is cared for as they develop in a holistic manner to reach their full potential. thank you for watching our promotional video. Muile buíochas.